and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles and trials, there is much more to thrive and there is much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey. A very good morning to the treasured gathering. I, Afrat Aman, along with my co-host Lavina, on behalf of PA First Grade College, extend a warm greeting and hearty welcome on the propitious occasion of annual day celebration of PA First Grade College.
PA First Grade College, established in the year 2002 by a reputed businessman and philanthropist, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. The college is inspired by its vision to foster valuable resources for society and industry through excellence in education, training, and skill set development. PA First Grade College is striving to form the men and women who are completely dedicated to others, who are academically accomplished and emotionally balanced, morally upright, socially responsible, and professionally dedicated, that they become the powerful sources in transforming the society.
Prayer is steering wheel that directs the right path throughout our lives. Let's unite our mind and soul in the presence of Almighty to seek His abundant blessings. I invite Mr. Irfat from second year BCA to recite the verse from the Holy Quran to invoke the blessings of the Almighty.
عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وكذلك أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا وصرفنا فيه من الوعيد لعلهم يتقون أو يحدث لهم ذكرا. فتعالى الله الملك الحق ولا تعزل بالقرآن من قبل أن يقضى إليك وحيه وقل رب زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the entirely merciful. Thus we have sent it down as an Quran and have diversified therein the warnings that perhaps they will avoid sin or it would cause them remembrance. So highly above all is Allah, the sovereign, the truth. And O Prophet Muhammad, do not hasten with the recitation of the Holy Quran before its revelation is completed to you. And say, O my Lord, increase me in the term of knowledge. Assalamu alaikum.
Spirituality all around us.
It's my pleasure to introduce a very segment of our program, a video that offers a glimpse into the heart and soul. In this video, you'll witness the passion that drives us, the innovation that sets us apart, and the unwavering commitment to excellence that defines us. This video isn't just a mere compilation of moments, it's a testament to the spirit of our college. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and resilience. It's a reflection of the countless stories that make up the fabric of our community, stories of triumph, of growth, and of the unbreakable bonds forged through shared experiences.
So, without further ado, I invite you all to sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the magic of our college community. Let us celebrate the past, embrace the present, and look forward to the bright future that lies ahead.
Every student who put their heart upon this institution and walk into this campus showing us their dreams, demonstrating honesty and maintaining integrity are transformed.
At TAFGC, we provide our students every opportunity to fulfill their dreams. We do not focus only on their academic enhancement. Our focus is towards a holistic development to create the best individuals possible, embedded with the moral and ethical values. I am sure our students are competent enough to achieve success in all walks of life, which shapes them to be the future leaders. The invited talks, the extracurricular activities, sports, training programs, and the various activities and competitions that we conduct in our campus through various associations will surely make them to be confident enough to take up challenges in life. The NSS, the Red Cross unit, public speaking clubs, mock placement drives, personality development programs, mind mapping programs, environmental club activities, and many other associations create a long-lasting impact on our students to believe in their hidden powers and develop leadership skills that makes them more committed to contribute to the society. Industrial visits and educational tour. An educational tour cum industrial visit was conducted for the students of final years to places such as Delhi, Agra, Nainital, Jaipur during this academic year. And also our students visited Camco Limited and SRR Masala and gained a lot of practical insights about the industry aspects. We give equal importance to extracurricular activities, various fests that is being conducted in the college, and literary events to enhance the leadership and coordinating skills of our students.
A very good morning, one and all gathered here. By expressing humble tribute to our late founder, Chairman P.A. Ibrahim Haji, I feel extremely privileged and honored to be given this opportunity to welcome you all to this annual day celebrations. First of all, it's my honor to welcome today's chief guest, Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University, Mangal Gangotri. We, the PFGC team, extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I take this privilege to express my gratitude to our Managing Trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, on his absence on this day. Your leadership and vision will be undoubtedly guide us towards greater heights of excellence and innovation. On behalf of the entire team, I extend a warm welcome to the guest of honor of the day, Mr. A.K. Ahmad Kuti, Director, Finance. Your extensive experience and expertise in finance will undoubtedly be invaluable as we navigate through our financial strategies and objectives. We have amongst us today's guest of honor, Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM Campus, PA Educational Trust. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, on this occasion. I welcome the distinguished guest of the day, Dr. Ramiz M.K., Principal, PA College of Engineering, Professor Kefi Sufi, Principal, PA Polytechnic, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Sajis Raghunathan, Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy on this occasion. I welcome Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal of the PA College of Engineering, and all the Vice Principals of sister institutions for gracing this occasion. I extend a warm welcome to our beloved Principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Ashim, who has been a support throughout for the development of the Institute. Welcome you, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Syed Amin, Dean, Student Affairs and Director, Center for Management and Research Center, who has been a support to all the activities of PFGC. Welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to Mr. Faisal, Head, Center for Professional and Organization Development, for being with us on Career Connect always. Welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to Mr. R.S.T.D., Purchase Manager on this occasion. I take this opportunity to welcome Ms. Shafinaz, Admission Officer, for being with us on this occasion. I welcome Dr. Iqbal, Campus Manager, who has been always supporting to the PFGC team. I welcome Ms. Vani Shri, IQAC Coordinator, the HODs of various departments, Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Ms. Nurjan Begum, Ms. Delcy D'Souza on this occasion. Parents are the entire world for a child. I welcome all the parents who have made the efforts to bless us with their presence. All the students here exhibiting their talents and capabilities will become responsible and great citizens of future. Dear students, I welcome you all on this occasion. I welcome all my fellow colleagues, teaching and non-teaching staff, media, site office team, campus superintendent present over on this occasion. Once again, welcome you all.
Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri. May I request our principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, to welcome our chief guest with a sapling as a token of love and respect.
On this momentous occasion, we are glad to have with us Mr. K. Ahmed Kutti, Director of Finance, PA Educational Trust. I now request our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Hari Krishnan, to welcome Mr. Ahmed Kutti, Director of Finance, PA Educational Trust, with the sapling.
This year was truly a momentous year in the academic growth of PA First Grade College. As we continue to expand and grow, we are immensely proud to state that with each passing year, we add one more feather to our cap. We reach closer to the summit of excellence, and to recap this glorious year, may I request our beloved principal, Dr. Sarfaraj J. Hasim, to present an overview of our achievements in the academic year 2023-24.
Dr. P.L. Dharma Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Guest of Honor, Mr. K. Ahmed Kutti, Director of Finance of PA Educational Trust Institutions, Mr. Sharfuddin P.K., AGM, Campus, Principals of Sister Institutions, Dr. Ramesh M.K., Dr. Salimullah Khan, Professor K.P. Sufi, Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Vice Principals of Sister Institutions, Purchase Manager Mr. Harris T.D., Dean Student Affairs Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Head of Center for Professional and Organization Development and Corporate Relations Mr. Mohammad Faisal, Admissions Officer Ms. Shafnaz, respected dignitaries on and off the dais, guests, parents, invitees, faculty members, and my dear student members from the press and media, Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant morning to you all. Another year has passed, and it's time to share the story of our journey, success, and milestones. It gives me an immense pleasure to present before you the brief annual report of the academic year 2023-24. At this joyful occasion of our annual day, we remember our beloved founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, who has taken an emboldened step with a lot of courage and zeal in the year 1999 by establishing PA Educational Trust. Amidst the loss of our beloved founder chairman, we outstretched further heights under the leadership of our energetic managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, and the support extended by all our dynamic trustees. The student enrollment continued to grow, reaching a record high admissions for PA First Grade College, and we express our gratitude to all the students and parents for having faith in us. Now we have on roll 692 students in the current academic year. We have over 41 well-qualified and enthusiastic faculty members with 3 doctorate degree holders, and we have 16 non-teaching staff in our institution. The academic year 23-24 began with 1-week induction program Diksharam for the first year students in the month of August 2023. PA First Grade College is committed towards a student-centric learning system, and commendable results were obtained. The 2023 batch displayed very much appreciable results with good number of distinctions and first class. Faculty achievements. Dr. Sarfaraj J. Hasim, the principal, has been nominated as the member of Academic Council of St. Aloysius College, which is now the St. Aloysius deemed to be university, with effect from July 2023 for a period of 3 years. Dr. G. Hari Krishnan, the vice principal, was awarded as most exemplary educator and speaker on 11th November 2023 at International Luminaire Awards held at Philippines, and was also the speaker at the International Research Conference on Education, Business and Technology held during February 2024 at Philippines. Ms. Delcy R. D'Souza, Head, Department of Food Sciences, and Ms. Ashalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Sciences, have been nominated as the member and chairperson of the Board of Examinations by the Mangalore University for BSc Food Technology program for the academic year 2024-25. Dr. Vijesh K., Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, has been awarded PhD in Computer Science in April 2024 by Sunrise University, Rajasthan. Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Mr. Muhammad Sali Asham, Ms. Munira presented papers at the state-level seminar organized by Government First Grade College, Mudipu, and Ms. Sara Maskurun-Nisa presented Berry Kavana during Berry Kavigosti at various places. Mr. Ibrahim, Physical Director and Football Coach, has been appointed as the coach for the Mangalore University as well as Vishwesvaraya Technological University men's football team for the academic year 2023-24. Ms. Deepthi Udyavar, Ms. Vanishri Vai, Ms. Ramya Shri, Ms. Preeti, Ms. Chaitanya, Ms. Itashri, Assistant Professors, Department of Commerce and Management, have cleared Swayam NPTEL exam in the month of April 2024. Coming to the student achievements, we encourage our students to participate in various intercollegiate competitions, and many students have brought laurels to our institutions by winning prizes. Mr. Abdul Asmil from 2nd BBA has been selected for Mangalore University football team and has also been qualified for All India Inter-University football match held at Punjab. Mr. Hassan Sinan, Mr. Turti Muhammad Shanfar, Mr. Samin from 3rd BBA, Ms. Katijat Shika Sultana, Ms. Fatimat Nifa from 3rd FND secured first place in the Funfair Walk event in the Intercollegiate UG Fest at Padua College of Commerce and Management. Mr. Sheikh Safwan from 3rd BBA, Mr. Muhammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA, Mr. Shafi Musa from 2nd BBA, have participated and secured first place in the business simulation activity in the Intercollegiate Commerce and Management Fest held at Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management. Our students, Mr. Abdul Asmil, Mr. Nihal Amraz, Mr. Muhammad Anas, Mr. Muhammad Yenye, Mr. Muhammad Hadil, Mr. Moidin Shanit participated and showcased their sportsman spirit and won the match in annual football tournament organized by National Institute of Technology, Surathkal. Mr. Sheikh Safwan, 3rd BBA, Mr. Abdul Asmil, 2nd BBA, secured 3rd place in the national level intercollegiate marketing event conducted by St. Agnes College Autonomous. Mr. Muhammad Muhad, 1st year BBA, secured 3rd place in the sub-junior category and 4th place in senior category, and Mr. Muhammad Rabi, 2nd year BBA, secured 3rd place in junior category for the award titled Mr. Kasargod in the Bodybuilding and Physics Championship 2024. Mr. Jishan, 2nd BCA, won consolation prize in Hindi essay competition organized by Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. Students of final year BBA, Mr. Muhammad Ashik, Mr. Muhammad Nashil, Mr. Muhammad Mashuk, and students of final year BCom, Mr. Muhammad Yasir Hussain, Mr. Muhammad Unais, and 2nd year BBA student, Mr. Muhammad Shafi Musa, have done their 6-week internship at KPMG Global Services, Bangalore. It is really a proud moment for our students and PA First Grade College. Final year BBA students, Ms. Fatimat Asla, Ms. Aminat Sana, Ms. Khatija, Ms. Aishat Safa, and Ms. Asiyama Nahla have undergone internship at Mangalore International Airport. Also, Mr. Ahmad Mubtasim and Mr. Marwan Abdul Rahman of final year BBA has undergone internship at Mangalore Cargo Airport and gained practical knowledge and experience. Our students had participated at Berry Sahitya Kamata, organized by Karnataka Berry Sahitya Academy in association with Berry Adhyayana Pita, Mangalore University. Workshops and seminars attended by the faculty members. Almost all the faculty members participated in various conferences and workshops conducted by various academic bodies under Mangalore University, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and various colleges in and around Mangaluru. Outreach programs. Swachhata Hi Seva, a massive beach cleaning drive at Ullal Beach, was organized by the NSS, YRC volunteers, and Environment Club Act members on 2nd October 2023. The NSS unit, in collaboration with IQAC and Youth Red Cross, undertook a meaningful visit to Bala Samrakshana Kendra in Kuttar on 1st November 2023. The college hosted various literary and cultural events fostering diversity and inclusion within our campus community during the academic year 2023-24. Associations and clubs. To hone the talents by providing practical training, student associations and clubs provides platform to train and exhibit the talents in our students throughout the academic year. All the associations and clubs are guided by the faculty in charges who take an extra mile to ensure the all-round development of our students. NSS, Youth Red Cross, Commerce and Management Association, IT Association, Environment Cell, and Food Science Associations have successfully conducted seminars, hands-on activity workshops, competitions, and many more. To bring in interdisciplinary approach and personality development among the students, many clubs have been established and are actively involved in activities throughout the academic year. Clubs like Public Speaking Club, Nature Club, Literary and Cultural Club encourages students to excel in academics and co-curricular activities. NSS and Youth Red Cross have been active throughout the year by organizing various programs and competitions such as observation of World Suicide Prevention Day, World Mental Health Day, World Peace Day, essay competitions, AIDS awareness programs, voting awareness program, voter ID enrollment campaign, blood donation camp, and many more. The annual sports meet was held in the month of April 2024, in which students and staff exhibited their sportsmanship. Industrial visits and educational tours. We have conducted various industrial visits and educational tours to facilitate our students to gain practical experience in the respective field. An educational tour cum industrial visit was conducted for the students of final years to places such as Delhi, Agra, Nainital, Jaipur during this academic year. Also, our student visited various industries, to name a few, Camco and SRR Masala. Memorandum of Understandings. We have expanded our partnership with many local business organizations in order to provide opportunities to the students to gain exposure during the course of education and to enrich the quality of education. We are extremely happy to mention that PA First Grade College is an institutional member of ICT Academy, and a Center of Excellence will be established soon in our premise. Training programs. In addition to the university curriculum, we extend training programs and certificate courses on various facets, focusing on technical aspects such as MS Excel, Tally, resume building, personality development, and many more, that enables the students to have an upper edge during interviews. PAFGC Job Desk. In order to connect and bring the newly qualified graduates and recruiters in the common platform, campus interviews are being conducted by the Placement Cell in association with Center for Professional and Organizational Development. The job desk regularly updates the job openings to the current as well as passed out students. Our students of 3rd BBA, Mr. Safwan bin Abdul Sattar, Ms. Famida Yasmin, and Mr. Muhammad Isan Sheikh have excelled in the interview and are placed in Q Spiders. Ms. Surura Suman, student of BBA, passed out batch of 2020, and Ms. Aminat Sana of 3rd BBA are placed in Renix, and still more to continue in the current academic year. Department of Commerce and Management organized various programs related to investor awareness, digital payments, interim budget, and many more. Department of Food Sciences and Nutrition or Association organized a talk on all about diabetics, awareness session on sexual and reproductive health, essay competitions, poster making competitions on various occasions. We are extremely happy to mention that the Diet Care Clinic is operating actively providing students practical exposure in the field of nutrition and dietetics. Department of Computer Applications conducted workshop on cloud computing, invited talk on cyber security, and a career guidance program for the students of BCA. Literary Association actively involved in releasing College Chronicle, the annual college magazine, on 27th October 2023. Quarterly newsletter Cognizance is being released to give an overview of the activities of PA First Grade College. Literary Association celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava, organized Berry Kavigosti, and conducted Hindi group singing, Hindi handwriting competition, poster making competition, and drawing competition on the occasion of Hindi Divas and Ekata Divas. Women's Cell and ICC had observed National Girl Child Day and International Women's Day, and also conducted debate and startup search competitions. Environmental Cell Green Aura conducted an awareness program in celebration of World Food Day, World Water Day, World Forestry Day, and World Environment Day. Environmental Cell successfully completed a project on converting kitchen solid waste into compost that can be used for nourishing the plants, and also initiated the installation of water pots for birds to ensure that local bird population have access to clean water. Faculty development programs. Internal Quality Assurance Cell organized many faculty development programs to empower faculty members. Dr. K.V. Rao, Director, Regional Science Center; Dr. A. Abdul Kader, Retired Principal of Government Evening Polytechnic; Dr. Biran Moideen, Registrar, D.Y. Patil International University; and Mr. Muhammad Faisal, Head Seaport, including the principal, were the experts invited. Various other activities are conducted. To mention a few, Campus Chroma, an intercollegiate festival of talents, conducted on 28th November 2023 that included Food Fest and other literary events. PA First Grade College, along with sister institutions of Pace Knowledge City, celebrated 77th Independence Day and 75th Republic Day. The graduation day program of 2020-23 batch was held on 19th August 2023, and alumni reunion was also held on the same day. PA First Grade College conducted orientation program for the first year degree students and their parents on 21st August 2023. Various programs were conducted of Teachers Day, International Day of Democracy, and during the Vigilance Awareness Week. Homeopathic Clinic has been set up in collaboration with the Yenopaya Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital to extend their support regarding various health issues and counseling services. Counseling services has also been extended to our students by the MSc Counseling interns of School of Social Work, Roshan Nilaya. Workshop on NAC accreditation, awareness program and enrollment drive with respect to 2024 Teachers and Graduates Constituency election for the Legislative Council, anti-drug and anti-ragging awareness programs were also initiated in this campus. The inauguration ceremony of the newly constructed academic block of PA First Grade College was held on 1st February 2024. The newly inaugurated block features modern amenities including well-equipped classrooms, staff rooms, board meeting room, computer labs, food preparation labs, and food processing lab. The Student of the Month competition is being conducted every month in order to promote competitive behavior amidst the students to have an academic excellence. PA First Grade College has introduced Wisdom Bites, a short motivational talk by the staff members, students, alumni, and any other experts on daily basis. And we have crossed over 200 episodes. I'm extremely happy to mention that we have crossed 200 episodes and will continue to do it on the daily basis. These talks are uploaded in our official YouTube channel and the link is being shared to all the student groups. I am very much delighted to allude that much more than what mentioned here has been conducted throughout the academic year, and it has been uploaded in our official website and quarterly newsletters. With this brief annual report, I thank our management, my entire team of faculty members, staff members, academic and accounts team, admissions team, purchase team, CPOD team, site office team, parents and students for their wholehearted support throughout the academic year, and expect full cooperation in reaching newer heights in the coming years. I express my sincere gratitude to our well-wisher and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Dr. P.L. Dharma sir, for being with us, sparing his valuable time amidst us, and truly it is inspiring to all of us and the students of this great institutions. Thank you very much for being here, sir. Once again, I conclude. I express my gratitude to you all for being here and behaving in a well-disciplined manner, exhibiting the best that is possible from your side. I really congratulate all the students for being so patient, and I expect the same throughout the program. So thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for briefing us with an annual report.
Great leaders don't set out to be leader. They set out to make difference. It's never about the role, but always about the goal. We are extremely honored to have with us here today an eminent personality, Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri. I now request Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Vice Principal, PA First Grade College, to introduce today's chief guest to the gathering.
Professor P.L. Dharma, a professor of political science of Mangalore University, recognized as an excellent teacher and researcher. He is a good orator and has mastered multilingualism. Having expertise in many fields of education, administration, social reform, women's welfare, and development, he always works with a positive attitude. Professor P.L. Dharma obtained his master's degree in 1988 with first rank, PhD in 1994 from Karnataka University. He started his career in Mangalore University in 1988 and has 36 years of teaching experience in the Department of Political Science and also served in various academic and administrative positions. He has undertaken many research activities and 8 students have successfully completed the research under his guidance. His field of activity is not only limited to teaching and research. He served in many administrative posts of Mangalore University and was responsible for the progressive development of the university. He has served in various capacities as chairman of the department, member of various bodies, committees of Mangalore University and other universities. Professor Dharma has served as the registrar in charge and registrar of evaluation of Mangalore University, and at present he holds the highest position, the Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University. Mangalore University has witnessed many innovations during the tenure as Registrar of Examinations. Among these, successfully introduced and implemented self-developed in-house online examination process software Mullings, which is user-friendly and transparent. During COVID-19 pandemic, with the cooperation of various colleges and universities, Professor Dharma has efficiently and effectively implemented the system of conducting the Mangalore University examinations beyond national boundaries. Special examination was also conducted for the students who represented the university in sports and cultural events. Digitalization of all the ledgers from 1981 to 2000 using new technology was also his initiative during his tenure. Professor Dharma is a recipient of Excellence and Leadership Award in Education for the year 2020 for his outstanding achievement in the field of education. Prestigious Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Rashtriya Purashkar and recognized as one of the best teachers in 2023 for the noble work done in interest of students, teachers, and the entire education fraternity. Recently, in March 2024, he has been presented as Best Professor in Political Science for Excellence and Leadership in Education. So, let's welcome our most beloved guest, Professor Dharma, Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University. Welcome you, sir.
Request Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri, to address a gathering and ignite the young minds with words of wisdom.
Respected Ahmed Kuti, Mr. Ahmed Kuti, Mr. Safuddin, Dr. Ramesh, Dr. Shalimullah Khan, Professor K.P. Sufi, Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, Dr. Syed Hameen Ahmad, Mr. Muhammad Faisal, respected Dr. Sarfraz Hasim, Principal of the College, and all my young student friends. Thank you so much for the invitation that you have extended to me to be here with us, with you all, for this day to celebrate the annual day of 2024. I decided to speak on an issue which would be very much interested as far as students are concerned. After having seen the report, I thought let me slightly shift and then speak few more things that would help you in understanding the education institution much better. I congratulate the principal, the staff, and all those who are involved in making the report and the activities more meaningful, where every activity leads to make the students better, outreaching, and extraordinary, both in terms of academics as well as extracurricular activities. Once Professor Asim asked me, Principal Sab asked me, if I can give a small bite. I want my students to listen to this carefully. He asked me if I can give a motivational talk for 2 minutes that he would upload in his website or YouTube channel, whatever he has. I said yes, but I failed in my duty and I did not give for a simple reason that these students need no motivation. I only thought that when Professor Sarfraz is there, his team is there, and then the students like you are there, there is no one is required here to motivate you because you are already motivated, you are already with larger number of spirit, enthusiasm, and you have a package of so much of energy to carry on the agenda of academics to the future. I don't know whether my friends, young friends, have listened to this carefully. When the principal was reading, all that he was trying to say, that you have involved in large number of activities, that you are responsible for the betterment of the college, that you acted in a very different way, that all that this college has achieved is only your record. Only your record. I appreciate the spirit in which principal has submitted the report. I also congratulate all those boys and girls who have done extraordinarily well as far as making the college report so beautiful and absolutely attractive. I don't know whether Principal Saab knows this. I want to reveal a small truth today, and that I want to tell, very, very clearly. I have taken over as a Vice Chancellor very recently. I wanted to know entire colleges affiliated to Mangalore University. Though I know them as a teacher, as a good friend, I've been traveling to all the colleges and understanding students' mind better. But now as an administrator, I wanted to see the college. I also understood the documents of PA, studied the entire records of the PA, and finally came out with a small statistics, small data, which all my young friends want to listen. Can I disclose the secret, my dear friends? Then you should be able to listen to this carefully. There is a small scorecard that I have prepared on the basis of the records that is already with me. Thank you so much. The scorecard is of 12 items. Please listen to me carefully. Number 1, Among the sports, PA scores 10 out of 10. I don't know whether this analysis is being made by Professor Hasim and his team, but I have made it because I have the records. Sports, you are extraordinarily well, good. And your team member and your team leader has been also nominated as a coach, not only here, also outside. Therefore, your score is 10 out of 10. Your academics, that is in terms of your results, and then all kind of participation that you have made is also 10 out of 10. The kind of report that is submitted, the document is already with me, where discipline also 10 out of 10. Cleanliness, both class, outside, the students themselves, in terms of all your physical appearance, also 10 out of 10. Your cultural activities, that is what Principal Sab said, we have collected it from our own source. Cultural activities also is 100% 10 out of 10. Your social service, my dear young friends, NSS, Red Cross, all that what you have done, where you also conducted blood donation camp, also 10 out of 10. Your faculty, wonderful faculty with PhD, doctoral degree holders, people who are doing wonderful publishing articles, participated in different FDB programs, also carries 10 out of 10. Your management, Mr. Abdullah Kuti is here. Your management, all the support that management has extended, also scores 10 out of 10. Campus, absolutely beautiful campus. You're encouraged with all kinds of activities here. You have 10% marks, 100% max. You should be patting your own back. You should be appreciating your own, where zero ragging is identified. Correct me if I'm right or wrong. I have not seen any record in the university document where ragging is not, being noticed to me, noticed in administration. Therefore, touch your heart and tell, ragging is 0, therefore 10 out of 10. Value system, I said touch your heart. You're talking to your God. You're talking to your Allah. Therefore, when you say that we have not conducted ragging, I'm sure you're touching your own inner consciousness. Value system on the campus, also 10 out of 10. But there is one thing that you have scored 0, which I want you to understand, which is also not recorded by the Principal Saab when he represented the college, represented your talent, which is also not there, where rarely students have asked questions inside the class. I hope you understand now. It's silence now. It's absolutely silence now that you have not done your fundamental duty as a student inside the class when I teach in the class. When I came prepared, when I do homework, when I come to class, teach the subject that I'm assigned with, you simply have listened to me, understood what I have said right or wrong. You never even interacted with me through your question. None of them have been recorded where a student, a teacher came and told the administration, came and told the university where PA college students have started raising fundamental questions inside the class. My dear young friends, when an institution, when an organization invests so much on the education, invest so much energy on the education, put all together as a unit, And the managers, Sri Abdul Kuti is here, manages the entire source, is not because they want to run the business. They want to conduct a business. They have a different business avenues. Mr. Muhammad Kuti was telling, yes, Mr. Hamid Kuti, I make a pardon, Ms. Hamid Kuti was telling, the Spriya group of institutions have large number of options to carry on, not simply the education system. They are investing on the education system as a social service. So much money is invested here is to make you more and more responsible citizens. And if you don't raise questions in the class, if you don't ask fundamental questions to a teacher like me, why should they invest money on the education institutions? And I want you to, my dear young friends, I want you to now, at least year afterwards, make a statement, make a promise that you will be a wonderful student year afterwards inside the class by raising fundamental questions which is academically bound. And next year, in the same hall, when you celebrate the college day, annual day, Professor Ashim will announce the best student of the campus who has raised fundamental academic questions in the class. Ashim Saab, please announce this. I also want somebody to also record so that the beautiful library is used regularly. Please identify a name who visits regularly the library, look at the books, borrow the books, also sometimes discuss the books, make a discussion with the students and the classmates, come out with a small solution either to an English teacher or a Hindi teacher or with whatever teachers they like, they are comfortable with. Please make use of library to better your academic activities. To make use of, see that you make use of the benefits that are available. Please also announce a prize next time, Asim Saab, the best user of the library, the best beneficiary of the library. The moment I came here, my dear young friends, I saw through to 3 young boys, very handsome boys, holding camera with a beautiful body language, with the student leaders here. The leaders are not there, student leaders are, council leaders are there. With a beautiful body language, all the time waiting for an angle, beautiful photo angle. They are here with all cream dresses. Waiting for a moment, trying to catch in a frame a beautiful moment of all the guests here, trying to adjust their body and also mind, calculate beautifully, make it more closer, zoom it. What a beautiful talent that you have, my dear friends. I appreciate all the team. I appreciate all the team. Mr. Abu Bakr, Mr. Naimuddin, Mr. Yaqub, and the friends with other uniform that you have had. Principal Saab, you have a responsibility to think of a course here on photography, which is, I think, is very sold as a hotcake in the international market today. Use these young talented boys. They have not only the beautiful phone, Apple phones, also beautiful body language, so as to not only capture the memory that you have, also a nice way of connecting to the guests. I really appreciate it. You're not trained. You're really not trained. But you connect yourself with larger number of people. When we were talking, I'm really appreciating Dilse. When we were talking, you did not disturb us, but still you were catching the momentary figure. I was talking to most senior Hamid Kuti Saab, but you never disturbed us. I was talking to the faculty, you never disturbed us. That is the professionalism that we see today. And that I see in you. God bless you, my dear young friends. You should be getting a nice place. I do not want to take more time. The facts that I have written here, the data that I have brought is not prepared because Principal Saab is my good friend, philosopher, and also well-wisher. It is nothing to do with him. It is the data that I have started collecting about all those colleges, 187 colleges today. And I have the data on my fingertips. I can go and tell everything to you and about you. I pray God that you all be good citizens of this country. I pray God that the God gives you energy so that you never annoy everybody. You never create problems to anybody. You only love, you only appreciate, you only mutually respect everybody, so that the country in which we live becomes a beautiful world, God-given world, God-gifted world, where all of us live happily. God bless you, my dear young friends. Take care. Thank you so much.
Respected Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, then Principal P.A. College Principal Ramesh Sir, Salimullah Khan, K.P. Sufi Sir, Sajish Raghunath Sir, Amin Ahmad, Mohammad Faisal, Sarfaz, and the captain of the institution, Sarfaz Hashim, and Sharmala Kumari Madam, Vice Principal, and other Vice Principals of the institutions, and dear my students, good morning. And not only your students, the PACE group is having 33,000 students, and you are the family members of PACE group. First of all, I have to tell. Then another thing, learning is the success. Learning is the key of the success. It is everybody telling you all these things, but I will tell a fact in this regard. In a government and aided polytechnic in Malappuram district, one diploma holder joined as a lab instructor in that institution. And he is working, after 2 or 3 years continuing service, he decided to take a computer science engineering. Then what he has done, he has joined in the Thrissur Engineering College in the evening session. Every day he has to do the work in the lab, and afterwards he has to travel from Tirur to Thrissur every day. Next morning again he has to travel from Thrissur to Tirur. In this duration, he has passed the computer engineering course with a 65% mark. Immediately after passing the engineering, he joined for MTech course. After passing the MTech course, that last 2 years back, the existing head of the department of the computer science retired from the service, and he joined as a HOD of the computer department. That means learning is always a key to the success. Next thing, passion need not be a career always. For example, somebody can do it. For example, Messi, his passion is football player, and he achieved that one. The recently that YouTube, this one, Santosh Kulangara, he is traveling is the passion for him. Now he is making lakhs of rupees in a month. That passion need hard work, sincerity, and commitment. If we are having these kind of qualities, then the career passion can be converted into career. Casually, yesterday I met when I am moving from college to guest house, I met a girl with a mother. Just for the namesake, asked her, "What is your ambition?" Immediately she told that I want to become a chartered accountant. I told her, the selection of the course is done due to the pressure of parents, or some of your friends are taking CS so that you are taking, or a trend you are taking this. No, I am confidently take this course, decided to take the course. Then I explained that one of the toughest courses is the CA. The result is 13 to 15% only. And another thing is that hard work is required. Moreover, she has to face the taste of failures. I told her, "Are you ready to this one?" she specifically, concretely told, I am ready to take all things and I will succeed in this. That girl, that girl is the daughter of your beloved principal, Sarfaz Hashim sir. Then another thing that I want to tell is there is no football match without a goalkeeper. There is no football match without a goalkeeper. Same way in the life also, definitely we should have a goal to achieve the target. I tell very briefly, I will tell the SMART. S-M-A-R-T. SMART means that the first sentence, S means should be specific. I want to become manager. That is not a specific. I want to become a lecturer. That is also specific. I want to become a lecturer in the engineering college or a arts college or a manager in a company, or that is specific. Our goal should be definitely specific. The next thing is M. That our goals should be measurable. Every year or every month or every day, how much we have achieved, that should be measured. For example, that after completing my course, I want to get more money. More money is not a measurable. My salary should be 50,000 or 1 lakh, whatever may be. That should be specifically measurable. The third thing, achievable. What do you mean by achievable? Our goal should be achievable. For example, that you are an Indian citizen and you want to become an American president, that is not an achievable. So that whatever goal, that profession, whatever may be, that should be achievable. Then last R, relevant. The relevant means that all the acts and deeds you are taking to achieve that goal only. For example, that when you are the last 5th May, that the NEET examination was over. 24,000 students were appeared. Only the 110 lakhs on the seats are available. In the fourth night, a student is learning the maths. That is irrelevant to that examination. But relevance is a must. The last point is time bound. I should complete my course, whatever may be, BCom or MCA, BCA or whatever may be. I should complete within 3 years or 4 years. After completing the BCA, definitely I will go to MBA and I will choose a good profession in a company, whatever may be. That time would, that should be measured. For example, somebody wanted to start a footwear industry. Footwear in that first that we have to market survey is to be conducted, feasibility report is to be done, then location is to be find out, then machinery is to procure. For everything that when a time schedule is to be picked. Same way your goal should be time that you should clearly, when time measured it should be done. And by concluding this, I wish all your students and pray all the students to achieve their goals. Thank you.
Awards are a way to encourage good behavior and inculcate competitive spirit. So we are here to give away the awards for the academic excellence to the students who have performed exceptionally well in their academics. May I call upon Ms. Munira A., Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. Now I kindly request all the academic toppers to gather on the left side of the stage.
Belong to those who prepare for it today. Now it's time to acknowledge the academic performance of our students. Here I am announcing the toppers of the academic year 2022-23. I request our chief guest of the day, Honorable Vice Chancellor P.L. Dharma, to hand over the prizes. The topper from First BBA, Abdul Asmi. Second BBA, Salma Triha. Aman. Toppers of first BCom, Fatima Trayan Kesh. Fatima Hiba Abdul Bashir. Second BCom, Fatima Raizin Sattar. Third BCom, Arshad Hanuna. From first BCA, Fatima PM. Second BCA, Fatimat Hasna. Third BCA, Mariam Soliha. From first FND, Aishat Lutufa Najam. Second FND, Khadijat Sania. Third FND, Mariam P. Second FD, Safa KP. Third FD, Fasila Hashim. On behalf of Fasila, I request her father to receive the award. Congratulations, students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're not missing out on anything great if you're using that time to make your life greater. Here, we present the nominees for the best outgoing students for the year 2023-24. Now, I call upon Mr. Mohammad Sali Asham, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. Over to you, sir.
This award is just not a recognition of academic excellence, but also the celebration of leadership, character, and the immediate spirit of a student community. The recipient who award with the values exceptional students today, we have the honor of presenting a very special award, that the Best Outgoing Student Award for the year 2024. So, in behalf of all the faculty members and the management, we present you here the nominees for Bachelor of Business Administration are Mr. Ahmad Arshad Ahmad, Miss Famida Yasmin. Any guesses? The award goes to Mr. Ashik Ahmad from the 3rd BBA. I request Mr. Muhammad Ashik to come and collect you the award, the best outgoing student for the year 2024. This is a prestigious award which we present in front of you. This award is just not a recognition of academic excellence with the other criteria which we quoted out there. The leadership capability and all the characters which involved with him during his educational experiences in a PA First Grade College. I congratulate Mr. Ashik Ahmad for winning the best outgoing students of Bachelor of Business Administration. Congratulations, Mr. Ashik Ahmad. I wish all the best for his future success and in future endeavors. Now, it's time to recognize another department, that is Bachelor of Commerce, who will be the winner of this award. The nominees are Fatima Bibi from 3rd BCom, Miss Asmat Al-Fazana, 3rd BCom, Rising Sattar from 3rd BCom. Now, there's any guesses? Any guesses? As the winner is the best outgoing student from the 3rd BCom goes to Fatima Bibi. I request Fatima Bibi come and to collect the prestigious award of the best outgoing student for the year 2024. Congratulations for winning the prestigious award of the best outgoing students from the background of Bachelor of Commerce. This award might grow be the funds for you in your future endeavors. I congratulate the winner and I wish all the best for your future endeavors. Now it's time to present another best outgoing student for the batch of Bachelor of Computer Application. The nominees are Mr. Muhammad Aristi from 3rd BCA. The nominees are Fatima Asna from 3rd BCA, Muhammad Aristi from 3rd BCA, Miss Fatima L from 3rd BCA. Any guesses? So the award goes to Muhammad Aris from 3rd BCA. I congratulate the winner for this award, Aris, for yours winning the prestigious event of Best Outgoing Student. Congratulations, and I wish all the best for your future endeavors. And now it's time where the girls will fly and the shouts can begin. Now the nominees for 3rd year Food Science and Science Department, the nominees are SNCB from 3rd FND, Fatima Rashida from 3rd BB, Any guesses? The best outgoing students go for Fatima Tajin. I congratulate the winner for winning the best outgoing student. That was the best outgoing student for the food technology. And now the final and the last best outgoing student of the year. For the Department of Food Science Department, the nominees are Fatima Tidil from 3rd FND, Miss Safa from 3rd FND, Miss Rauzana Zaid from 3rd FND. Any guesses? Any guesses for the award goes to Miss Rauzana L from 3rd FND. Congratulations for your winnings of this award, and I wish all the best for your future endeavors.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me.
Congratulations, Miss Rosanna, for winning the best outgoing students of the year. I wish all the best for your future endeavors. Let these awards be the creative of mindset and the appropriate for your life. I wish all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University. I request our Principal, Dr. Sarfaraj J. Hasim, and all the dignitaries to join in felicitating the chief guest and express our gratitude by honoring in a traditional way. Professor, for gracing this occasion. I request everyone to rise in your respective place as the chief guest exit the auditorium.
VPA First Grade College conduct the Student of the Month of the competition every month to motivate the student and improve their skills. I am very happy to announce that we have Student of the Month from September 2022 to the April 2024. Now I call upon Student of the Month September 2023, Mr. Sheikh Safwan bin Abdul Sattar, 3rd BBA. I request Mr. K. Ahmed Kutti sir, Finance Director, PA Educational Trust, to honor the achievers. Next, I call upon Student of the Month, October 2023, Miss Afifa Sheikh, 2nd BCA. Next, I call upon Student of the Month, November 2023, Miss Aisha Hiba, 1st BSc FND. Next, I call upon Student of the Month, February 2024, Mr. Muhammad Ayman Bashir, 2nd BBA. Next, I call upon Student of the Month, March 2024, Miss Misbah Muhammad Ali, 2nd BBA. Next, I call upon Student of the Month, April 2024, Mr. Ahmad Irfad, 2nd BCA.
You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down, down. You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down. I got the house with my swagger, hop in there with Joe, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious, I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes.
Thank you, sir. Once again, I congratulate all the achievers. Thank you, Honorable.
Thank you, sir.
It's time to recognize and honor the students who have achieved the incredible feat of 100% attendance. May I request Ms. Azvina, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, to read out the list of the students. I request all the students with 100% attendance to gather on the left side of the stage.
Attendance isn't just about showing up. It's a commitment to learning, growth, and success. Those being honored today have demonstrated exceptional dedication and responsibility. A very good morning, one and all gathered here. Here is a list of students who had 100% attendance in the previous semester. Now, I request Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal, PA Polytechnic, to give away the prizes. From 1st BCA in the first semester, Abdul Rahman in the subjects Programming in C, Language, Mathematics, and English.
She got me
language and English. Amin Ashirin, mathematics. Zainabat Sasma, mathematics. Fatimat Rahila, mathematics.
I live my life the way that I want to. I live my life
Aminat Tasriya, mathematics.
the way that I want to. I live my life the way that I want to.
Fatimat Hana, mathematics and English.
The way that I want to. I live my life the way that I want to.
Mohammad Marhab Roshan TA, programming in C, mathematics, English and business organization.
I live my life
Mohammad Ismail, programming in C, mathematics, English, business organization.
the way that I want to.
Safwan Muhammad Abdul Rahman, programming in C, mathematics. Aishat Hadila, mathematics, language, English, business organization. Alimat Sahla, language. Neha Taswin, English.
I live my life the way that I.
Salman Muhiz, programming in C.
I live my life the way that I want.
Aisha Anshirin, programming in C.
I live my life the way that I want to.
From first BBAA, Khatijat Asrifa, digital fluency.
I live my life
From first BBA B, Abhirami, marketing management.
I live my life the way that I want to.
From first FND, Fatima Shibla. In food science and business organization. Aisha Hiba, English and digital fluency. Fatimat Misbah, digital fluency. Fatimat Salwa K, digital fluency. Zainab Ashfana Asni, digital fluency. Fatimat Suhaila, digital fluency. Zainab Ismat P, digital fluency. Dia Sunit, business organization. From first BCom, Khatija Lamia, management principles and applications, principles of marketing. CA. Fatima PM, C# Programming. Mohammad Azim, Open Source Tools. Abdul Rahman Maroof, English. Swania Rahman, Indian Constitution. From 2nd BCom, Fatima Shamha, Hindi. Fatima Hiba, Corporate Accounting and English. Zahir Hussain, Programming in C Concepts. From 3rd BBA, Mohammad Ishan Shaikh, Banking Law and Practice, Income Tax, Production and Operation Management. Famida Yasmin, in Income Tax. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, may I call upon Ms. Ramya Shri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, to read out the list of the winners of the competition from the various associations. I request all the prize winners of various associations to gather on the left side of the stage.
A very good morning. Associations are integral component of the academic framework. To enhance the development of extracurricular skill among the students, various associations have organized a diverse range of competitions. Students unveil their hidden talents. Now, let's proceed with the announcing the winners of this program from each association. Request Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus, to give the prizes to the winners. From Commerce and Management Association, the competitions were held Interim Union Budget Presentation 2024, and the first prize goes to Mr. Muhammad Ayman Bashir, 2nd BBA, Mr. Muhammad Shafi Musab, 2nd BBA, Ms. K. Salma Aifna, 2nd BCom. Second prize goes to Ms. Fatima Rezin Sattar, Mr. Muhammad Hashir, Mr. Muhammad Irfan Parsi. Pencil sketch competition. Mr. Sheikh Safwan bin Abdul Sattar and Miss Fatima Tidil, first prize, pencil sketch competition. Shiba Tanas from 1st BSc FND. Collage making competition. First prize is backed by Fatima Shamla and Rabiba Sania from Final BBA and Final FND. And second prize is backed by Fatima Tidil and Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from Final FND and Final BBA. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal, PA College of Engineering, to hand over the prizes. Youth Red Cross and NSS. The competition held was World AIDS Day essay competition, and the first prize was backed by Mohammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA. And the second prize is backed by Misma Mohammad Ali from 2nd BBA. The next competition, Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye, the campaign quiz competition. First prize was backed by Hajira Aprisha from 2nd BCA. Second prize is backed by Mohammad Junaid from 1st BBA. And the third prize was backed by Arshad Ahmad Hussain Aka from Final BBA. Literary Association competition. The first competition was singing competition Hindi. The first prize was backed by Asiamat Siba from 1st BCA. Second prize was backed by Ansita Jeshma Lobo from 2nd BBA. Singing competition Malayalam. First prize was backed by Muhammad Ashik from 1st BBA. Poster making competition. First prize was backed by Fatima Tidil from Final FND. Poster making competition. First prize was again backed by Sheikh Safwan bin Abdul. Second prize was backed by Fatima Shamla from Final BBA. Second prize was backed by Arshid Safa from Final BBA. And the third prize was backed by Mubina TP from 2nd BBA and Ibrahim Arfan from 2nd BBA. The first prize is backed by Ibrahim Arfan. And the third prize is backed by Naba Mariam. Ekta Divas Patriotic Singing Competition. The first prize was backed by Asiamat Siba from 1st BCA. Second prize was backed by Fatimat Swaliha from 2nd BCA. And the third prize was backed by Rabiba Sania NK from 3rd FND. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Faidal, Head CPOD, to hand over the prizes. Environmental Cell, Green Aura, the competition was digital poster making, and the first prize is backed by Ahmad Irfan from 2nd BCA. Second prize was backed by Mohammad Firoz Abdullah from 1st BCA. Newspaper costume design. First prize was backed by Afsa, Safa and Tabshira from Final FT. Second prize was backed by Sharina Shirin, Fatima Tidil, Sheikh Safwan bin Abdullah, Final FND and Final BBA. Third prize was backed by Mashood from 1st BBA, Fatimat Fida from 1st BBA, Salmat Muaza from 1st BBA. Rural Entrepreneurship and Innovation and Incubation Cell conducted the competition related to Startup Search competition on the occasion of Women's Day, and the first prize was backed by Famida Yasmin from Final BBA and Misbah Mohammad Ali from 2nd BBA. Fine Arts Competition. The competition was Campus Chroma logo making. First prize was backed by Abu Bakr Siddiq and Fatima Shamla from Final BBA. Second prize, Aishut Safa and Fatimat Ashla from Final BBA. Second prize, Fatimat Famnas and Fatimat Hasna from Final BCA. Internal Complaint Committee organized the drawing competition. First prize was backed by Mohammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA. BBA. From Women's Cells, online quiz competition. First prize was bagged by Famida Yasmin from Final BBA. Second prize was bagged by Amina Shirin from First BCA. And the third prize was bagged by Fatima Tidil from Final FND.
I request Ms. Ashalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Sciences, to read out the list of the winners. I request all the prize winners of Talents Day to gather on the left side of the stage.
Talent is nothing without dedication and discipline, and dedication is a talent in itself. Good morning, one and all present here. On account of Talents Day 2024, the students of PFGC grouped into 12 groups and participated in various 18 competitions organized by various associations. Now I request Ms. Shafnaz, Admission Officer, PA Educational Trust, to give away the prizes. The competition Best Out of Waste, organized by NSS. The first prize bagged by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA and Fatima Tedal from 3rd FND from the group 10. Second prize bagged by Abdul Asmil and Mubina TP from 2nd BBA from group number 3. Video making competition organized by NSS. First prize bagged by Abu Bakr Siddiq from 3rd BPA, group number 10. And second prize bagged by Amina Sherin from 1st BCA from group number 11. Debate competition organized by Women's Cell. First prize bagged by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA and Muhammad Ashik from 3rd BBA, group number 10. Second prize bagged by Muhammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA and Alima Nadar Rafia from 1st FND, group number 8. Pencil sketch organized by Women's Cell. First prize bagged by Fatima Tedal from 3rd FND, group number 10. Second prize bagged by Abdul Asmail from 2nd BBA, group number 3. Competition organized by Literature Club. First prize bagged by Safa KP from 3rd BSc FT and Famida Yasmin from 3rd BBA, group number 2. Second prize bagged by Fatima TU and Khadijat Sania from 3rd BSc FND, group number 10. Dam Charades organized by Literature Club. First prize bagged by Amina Shirin, Zainabat Afna, Neha Tasween from 1st BCA from group number 11. Second prize bagged by Sharmila Fatima Seke from 1st BCom, Mohammad Ismail and Abdul Adil from 1st BCA, group number 10. Wall decoration competition organized by Commerce and Management. First prize bagged by Fatima Tedal and Fatima TU from 3rd FND from the group number 10. Second prize bagged by Fatima Shamla from 3rd BBA, Aisha Afra from 3rd FND, group number 6. Business Canvas organized by Commerce and Management. First prize bagged by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA and Fatima Tedal from 3rd FND, group number 10. Second prize bagged by Mohammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA, Mohammad Mubashir from 2nd BBA from the group number 8. Mehendi competition organized by Fine Arts. First prize bagged by Hiba Keti from 3rd FND and Khadijat Shahima from 3rd FND from the group number 12. Second prize is bagged by Fatima Zohara from 1st BCom and Rukia Zahima from 1st BCom from the group number 4. Thank you, madam. Now I request Mr. Harris Teddy, Purchase Manager, PA Education Trust, to give away the prizes. Rangoli competition organized by Fine Arts. The first prize bagged by Aisha Afra from 3rd FND and Fatima Shamla from 3rd BBA from the group number 6. Second prize bagged by Amina Shirin and Zainabat Hafna from 1st BCA from the group number 11. Cooking Without Fire organized by Nutritionora. The first prize bagged by Fatima Tedal from 3rd FND and Aishat Shamiha from 1st FND from the group number 10. The second prize bagged by Hima Zainab BK from 1st FND and Rifa Fatima from 1st FND from the group number 3. New product development presentation organized by Nutritionora. First prize bagged by Fatima Tedal from 3rd FND and Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA from the group number 10. Second prize bagged by Fatima TU and Khadijat Sania from 3rd FND from the group number 10. IT Quest organized by IT Association
competition. The first prize backed by Mohammad Aris TA from 3rd BCA and from the group number 12. And second prize backed by Safwan Nessa from 1st BCA from the group number 2. Digital poster making competition organized by IT Association. First prize backed by Nihal Abdullah from 1st BCA from group number 3. And second prize backed by Amina Sharon and Aisha Teresa from 1st BCA from the group number 2 and 4 respectively. Photographic competition organized by Nature Club. First prize backed by Yakub from 1st BBA from group number 4. Second prize backed by Adil Ahmed from 1st BCA from group number 9. Essay writing competition organized by Nature Club. First prize backed by Muhammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA from the group number 8. Essay writing competition, second prize backed by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA from group number 10. Allocation competition organized by Public Speaking Association. First prize backed by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA from the group number 10. Second prize backed by Muhammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA from group number 8. Pick and speech organized by Public Speaking Association. First prize backed by Sheikh Safan bin Abdul Sattar from 3rd BBA from group number 10, and it is shared with Muhammad Ayman Bashir from 2nd BBA from group number 8. Second prize backed by Ismail Hamim Kacheri from 3rd BBA from group number 5.
And all. Thank you, ma'am.
We acknowledge the dedication of NSS volunteers in building a brighter future for our communities. Now, may I request Ms. Itashri, NSS Program Officer, to read out the list of Best NSS Volunteer for the year 2023-24.
The Best NSS Volunteer Award will be given in recognition for their outstanding dedication, leadership, and impact in service community. Their selfless contribution, positive influence on others, and commitment to making a difference set them apart as a role model for community service. I feel extremely proud to announce the Best NSS Volunteer of the academic year 2021-24. This award goes to such a person, one who always have a selfless action, have inspired others to join the noble cause of community service, creative a ripple effect of kindness and compassion, unwavering dedication and passion for helping others, to serve as a shining example for others to follow. Here, we have the truly deserving of recognition for his exceptional commitment into service. It's none other than Mr. Mohammad Ishan Sheikh from 3rd BBA. I congratulate Mr. Mohammad Ishan Sheikh for his outstanding dedication and impactful contribution in service. I request Mr. Ishan to come over the stage. I also request Dr. Syed Amit sir. I request Ahmed Kuti sir to hand over the prize to Ishan. To say about Ishan, whenever we conduct any program, he'll be always there for us as a support. Till here, he didn't say the word no for whatever, whenever we approach him. He used to do all the work silently without any expectation, and this is the true character of NSS volunteer, which is always seen in him. He never waited for anyone to be with him during this time. Thank you.
Success is not just about winning games. It's about the dedication, hard work and passion that one has towards reaching the goal. Now it's time to recognize and honor our students who have exceptionally showcased their talents in sports and intercollegiate cultural fest. Now I would like to invite Ms. Itashri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, to share their remarkable achievements.
Here we have another proud personality who has excellent goalkeeping skill, which made him capable enough to represent Mangalore University and secure 3rd position in East Zone. Later on represented Mangalore University in the national level football championship. I call upon Mr. Abdul Asmil to come over the stage to be honored. I request Dr. Iqbal sir to hand over the moment. Our PFGC students actively participated and won the first prize in business simulation at Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, Mangaluru. It's a wonderful moment to celebrate your achievement. I call upon Mr. Sheikh Safwan, 3rd BBA, Mr. Muhammad Ayman Bashir of 2nd BBA, and Mr. Muhammad Shafi Musa of 2nd BBA to come over the stage. I request Dr. Iqbal sir to hand over the prize. Another great achievement is done by Mr. Shanfar of 3rd BBA, Hassan Sinan 3rd BBA, Samin 3rd BBA, Naifa 3rd FND, Sheikha 3rd FND. They participated in the Funfair Walk in Padwa Verve, which was organized by Padwa College of Commerce and Management, and won the first prize. I request the students to come over the stage.
I request Ms. Sania, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Science, to read out the list of the winners.
I'm here to announce the winners of the thrilling staff sports event held on April 21st, 2024. On one side, we had the Vikings led by the dynamic leadership of Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Vice Principal, PFR's Great College, whose passion and enthusiasm inspired the team to give their best on the field. And on the other side, we had the Spartans under the guidance of Ms. Deepthi Udyawa, Head, Department of Commerce and Management, whose determination drove the team towards excellence. So, it's time to honor the achievements. Without further delay, let's proceed with the prize distribution ceremony and recognize the outstanding performance of our staff members. So, now I request Guest of Honor, Mr. K. Ahmed Kuti, Director, Finance, PA, Educational Trust, to present the prizes for individual sports event. Come on, sir. Shot put men. First prize was backed by Mr. Abdul Samir Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Social Science. Second prize was awarded to Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Vice Principal, PA First Grade College. Third prize went to Mr. Mohammed H., Office Staff, PA First Grade College. Next, shot put women. First prize, Miss Kritika, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Sciences. Second prize, Miss Preeti, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. Third prize, Miss Akshata, Office Staff, PA First Grade College. Discus throw men. First prize goes to Mr. Abdul Samir, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. Second prize, Mr. Ibrahim, Physical Director, PA First Grade College. Third prize, Mr. Muhammad Shamshir KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. Discus throw women. First prize was backed by Miss Deepthi Udyava, Head, Department of Commerce and Management. Second prize, Miss Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Sciences. Third prize, Miss Fatimat Shakira, Lab Instructor, Department of Computer Applications. Javelin throw men. First prize, Mr. Ibrahim, Physical Director, PA First Grade College. Second prize, Mr. Abdul Samir, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. Third prize, Mr. Mohammed Sali Asham, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. Javelin throw women. First prize, Miss Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Sciences. Second prize, Miss Fatimat Shakira, Lab Instructor, Department of Computer Application. Third prize, Miss event. Now the winners of cricket match was Vikings. Throw ball, Spartans. Volleyball, Vikings. Tug of war, Spartans. 4x100-meter relay, first prize was backed by Team Vikings. Next, badminton men. First prize was backed by Team Vikings. Mr. Mohammad Samshir KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, and Mr. Ibrahim, Physical Director, PA, First Grade College. Second prize also backed by Vikings. Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Vice Principal, PA First Grade College, and Mr. Sachin Giri, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications. Badminton women.
Let's get it started.
Badminton women, first prize was backed by Team Vikings. Miss Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Sciences, and Miss Ashalata A, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Sciences. Second prize was also backed by Team Vikings. Miss Anfa Nishad, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Sciences, and Miss Shreyanka M, Assistant Professor in the Department of Humanities and Social Science. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the winners, and I appreciate all the participants for their efforts. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have amidst us the parents of Mr. Muhammad Aman, the topper in 3rd BBA passed out batch. I request Mr. Muhammad Kutti, Director of Finance, PA Educational Trust, to award the parents of Mr. Muhammad Aman in the absence of the students.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव
Mr. Muhammad Aman, the topper in 3rd BBA passed out batch. you, sir. Volunteering is not just giving about your time. It's about giving a piece of your heart to make an event successful. I request Ms. Preeti, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, to announce the names of the student volunteers.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Volunteers are the backbone of every successful event, initiative and program, tirelessly dedicating their time, energy and skills for the betterment of our college and society. As we mark this special occasion of our annual day, we are honored to recognize and reward the invaluable contribution of our volunteers across various programs. It's with great pleasure that I request Mr. Mohammad Faisal, Head, Center for Professional and Organizational Development, to present the token of appreciation to our esteemed volunteers. I request representatives from various associations and programs to come forward and collect the token of appreciation. Volunteers of Graduation Day, Mohammad Mashood and Mohammad Nashil from 3rd BBA-B. Youth Red Cross, Mr. Muzawir Ibrahim Khalil, Arshad Ahmad from 3rd BBA-A. Youth Red Cross, Mr. Muzawir Ibrahim Khalil, Arshad Ahim from 3rd BBA-E. Volunteers of Voting Registration Drive, Mohammad Taib, Naimuddin Riaz from 1st BCom.
22, you let other women make a fool of you. Why don't you do right? Get up, me, do right. Get up, me, sit me, do right.
Volunteers of Nutritional Era Association, Safa Taslim, Rauzana from 3rd FND. Anti-Ragging and Anti-Drug Committee Program, Mohammad Arish TA and Sheikh Safwan from 3rd BBA-A.
You're sitting down wondering what it's all about. You ain't got no money, they will.
Annual Day 2024, Jishan and Mohammad Azim from 2nd DCA.
Hop in that window, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind when I'm
Blood donation camp, Mohammad Tanveer and Mohammad Mubashir from 2nd BBA-A.
go.
Orientation Day, Safa and Ashla from 3rd BBA-A. Orientation Day, Safa and Asla from 3rd BBA-A. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to the students.
Thank you, ma'am. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good things that come to you and to give thanks continuously, because all things have contributed to your advancement. I now invite Ms. Vanishri Y, IQAC Coordinator, to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom that springs from the soul. A graceful good afternoon to all. I, Vanishri Y, IQAC Coordinator, feel honored to propose this vote of thanks on behalf of PA First Grade College and my own behalf. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty God for countless blessings and making the day a magnificent one. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee, PAET, for his constant support in all our endeavors in his absence. The content of a book holds the power of education, and it is with this power that we can shape our future and change lives. It renders immense pleasure at this hour that we are blessed to have a chance to thank our chief guest, Professor P.L. Dharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful, thought-provoking and interesting address. Your inspiring words truly motivated our students. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Mr. K. Ahmad Kuti, Director Finance, PAET, for your motivational words, and also Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM, Campus, PAET, for their valuable presence. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to thank our distinguished guest, Dr. Ramesh MK, Principal, PA College of Engineering, Professor KP Sufi, Principal, PA Polytechnic, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy, for their remarkable presence. Thank you, sirs. My heartfelt thanks goes to our distinguished guest, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean, Student Affairs, and Director, CMSR and PAET, for his constant and valuable support to this program. Thank you, sir. It's my privilege to extend my warm gratitude to our distinguished guest, Mr. Mohammad Faisal, Head, Center for Professional and Organizational Development, for his remarkable presence. Thank you, sir. I thank all the vice principals of our sister institutions who graced this occasion. Leadership is the capacity to translate a vision into reality. A very big thank you to our respected principal, Dr. Sarfaraj J. Hashim, for planning and leading this program. His leadership and motivation are great life lessons for all of us, and it would not have been possible to organize this successful event without his valuable guidance. Thank you, sir. I thank our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Harikrishnan, and all the HODs for being a part of this program. Further, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. Ahmad Bashir, Ms. Chaitra Envi, Assistant Professors, Department of Commerce and Management, and Ms. Anfa Nishad, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Science, who are the main coordinators of this program, and to all the staff coordinators who put great efforts in organizing this annual day function. Thank you, everyone. My sincere thanks goes to our student coordinators and volunteers of this program. Without their support, it is not possible to get a grand success. Thank you, my dear students. I thank Mr. Shaji, Internal Auditor, all staff of Accounts and Academic Section, Dr. Iqbal, Campus Manager and Physical Director, PSE, our Physical Director, Mr. Ibrahim, Mr. Rudresh, Campus Supervisor, Admission Officer, Ms. Shafnaz, Mr. Srini and Mr. Abdul Rahman, Site Engineers, Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager, for their valuable service to conduct this program successfully. Next, I would like to thank our technical team of light and sound and music, shads, and site office members and canteen staff for their valuable service. I thank the media partners and photographers for their valuable presence and providing us a good coverage of the program. I thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff who have supported us directly or indirectly for the success of this program. I thank all the parents and family members of our students who have come all the way to cherish the moment of the awards. Thank you. I thank all the students who have participated in this function for their well-disciplined behavior throughout this program. Thank you, my dear students. I thank Mr. Ahmad Irfad for his prayer service. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to Ms. Lavina D'Souza and Ms. Afrat Aman, Assistant Professor, Department of HSS and Department of Computer Application for their wonderful anchoring. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I would like to thank each one of you. I'm grateful for giving me this opportunity. With the sincere feelings of gratitude, I would like to take your leave. Thank you.
10, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any guesses? Yes, the winners of Talents Day competition and the I request Dr. Aisha, Vice Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy, to kindly award the winners. We have group number 10 as the winners and they name the group as Cultural Catalyst. Let's congratulate the winner. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's move on to the next category. The individual championship has been backed by Ms. Fatima OH from Greenhouse. May I now request our Vice Principal Dr. G. Harikrishnan to award the individual championship in sports female. Ms. Fatima OH has secured first place in 200-meter race, first place in 400-meter race and first place in 800-meter race.
Championship in sports male. Any guesses for male champion? Is it Kritik? With a round of applause, let's congratulate Mr. Kritik Roshan from Greenhouse. I request our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Harikrishnan, to award the winner. He has secured first place in high jump, first place in long jump, and second place in javelin throw. Congratulations, Kritik. Thank you, sir.
Any guesses? Yellow, red, green, blue. The house that has secured the highest point is Blue House with a total of 114 points. I request the captain, Mohammad Asif, 3rd BCom and team to receive the award. I request our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Harikrishnan, to present the trophy to the winners from the Blue House.
Any guesses for the female staff champion? Any guesses? Yes, the individual championship in sports female has been backed by Miss Kritika from the team Vikings. to hand over the award to Miss Kritika. She has secured first place in javelin throw, first place in shot put, second place in discus throw, and second place in 100 meters race. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
The individual championship in staff sports male is backed by Mr. Samir from the team Spartans. May I now request our Vice Principal Dr. G. Harikrishnan to present the award. Mr. Samir has secured first place in shot put, first place in discus throw, and second place in javelin throw. Congratulations, sir.
Now it's time to reveal the overall championship winners in staff sports. The overall championship is backed by the team Vikings. I request our principal, Dr. Sarfraz Hasim, to award the winners with the trophy. With a round of applause, let's congratulate the team Vikings. Here we have the team leading with Vice Principal Dr. G. Harikrishnan and all the team members present on the stage. Thank you, sir. Congratulations, team.
To evoke the sense of patriotism and remind all about the nation's glory and beauty, I request all to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Shishamage Gahe Tava Jaya Gata